Hey, Adrian here again with My Social Practice. This is a quick video on how to choose your service areas and also your primary category. So what you're looking at here is My Social Practice is Google My Business account. It's the admin section. So when you log in on a desktop to your Google My Business account, it'll look similar to this, okay? Over here on the left panel, there is an info tab. And on the info tab, right at the top here, right underneath the name of your business, you'll see what are called your primary categories. And your primary categories can't be, they're generated, you're basically choosing from a list within the database that Google provides. So if I click the little edit button there, and I want to add another category, assuming that I'm a dentist, I would choose dentist, right? And you'll see it just pops up right here, dentist. There's also pediatric dentist, cosmetic dentist, hygienist, dental implants, periodontist. There's dental office or dental implants, I believe, dental implants provider, periodontist. There's like 18, maybe 20 different choices for that are dental related keyword phrases. And so what you're going to want to do is the primary category that you choose just needs to be, if you're a dentist. It's better, the amount of search that goes underneath dentist versus, say, cosmetic dentist, even though you may want cosmetic patients, is astronomical, meaning so many more people search the word dentist than they do cosmetic dentist, even when they are looking for a cosmetic dentist. So as a good rule of thumb, the way that we do this is we would say your primary category should be your specialty: pediatric dentist, endodontist, orthodontist, dentist, and then you should have possibly 1 to 2 secondary categories. When I first started doing the optimization on these, I would choose as many categories as I could, and I realized very quickly that more is not better. It kind of makes your whole Google My Business account kind of like milk toast. You don't rank for anything well. So you want to focus on who you are and be specific. So a lot of dentists that provide implants will do dentist and then dental implants provider. Or if they do some ortho, they'll do dentist orthodontist. Okay? So that's your primary category. That's one of the first ways that you're identified in the search engines in terms of the relevance factor. How relevant is the search phrase to your Google My Business listing? The second thing you're going to want to do is go right here to service areas. Now, this allows you to put in up to 20 service areas. So we're not a local company, so we serve practices throughout North America. So we put United States and Canada. But if you're in a town, you're going to want to start listing all the little tiny towns right around where you're at. And how far out you go really depends on the how competitive it is in your area, or what's the population density. What I've noticed is that practices that are in kind of like the sticks, we have some practices that we work with in West Virginia that have small population centers and then a lot of open land. They can rank as far as 20, 25 miles away in a radius around their practice. But if you're in, say, Salt Lake City, Utah, or Miami or LA, you might only be able to rank in maybe a 2 to 3 mile radius. So just depending on the type of area that you're in, you're going to want to kind of try and list the areas that are within the range of what's realistic, okay? And if you have questions about that, give us a call. I can give you a little more information about how to figure out what areas to look for and whatnot. But anyway, those are the two things that you're going to want to be aware of when you start filling out the info tab on your Google Business account.